Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video for Charles Patriarca Bowling. And today is a Saturday. We are coaching. We were supposed to have coaching at Festival Mall muna earlier this morning. Fortunately, there was something that came up with the client, and we had to move to our second location. And our second location is here at Paeng's Gateway Bowl. Tama ba? Yung pangalan na. But it's at Gateway 2. We got here a little bit early, and I was thinking we didn't have any bowling this week because the wife wasn't feeling well, and I was helping out Kendra with her second quarter exam reviews. So wala tayong bowling, and I thought we can use this time to practice a little, maybe just 2 games. And good thing I have my phone. I don't have my DJI, so dito muna tayo sa iPhone, guys. Anyway, let's head up to Paeng's Gateway, and then let's play a few games. Medyo raw to because it's just gonna be the iPhone, and I'll show you guys my routine on how I practice with the first game, and then the full game on the second game. Alright, let's go. Let's play bowling, guys. Alright guys, so we're walking to Paeng's Gateway now, and this is gonna be our practice for the PBA annuals that will be on Monday. The balls we have are the ones that are left. We have the Gem Pearl, the Road, and our spare ball. So let's enjoy this practice. It's a blessing and grace from God. Let's enjoy our practice, guys.
19 Viva Max Strikers, lane 20 Incredible Bowlers, lane 21 IT Wildcats, 22 Lord of the Pins, and 23 Boleros. Again, we will be waiting for everyone. We will be waiting to complete all teams present here in the venue before we start our games. Thank you. Repeating the lane assignments: 1 Viva Max Cheers, 2 Mean Girls, 3 Jerome and the Gagab Boys, 4 Alleluia, 7 Pin Smashers, 22 Banaya Place, 5 Alligators, 8 Best Returns, 7 Lord of the Pins, 23 Boldly Wildcats. Sir, Pin Smashers, lane 6. Pin Smashers, lane 6. Sorry. My bad. Pin Smashers, lane 6.
Yes, sir.